Have you ever seen videos like this featuring a text conversation in the foreground and random gameplay in the background? Or AI generated videos telling a captivating story? Or even videos featuring Reddit stories? Cool, right? Well, if you have seen anything like this and you've ever wondered how they're made, let me guess, you've clicked on the right video. Hi guys and girls, if it's your first time here, my name is Tyler, welcome to What's Next. If you're a frequent visitor, welcome back. Today, Tyler is featuring an application that does too much to fit into a short video. So he wants to go through all of the features that it offers and how you can ultimately turn it into a revenue opportunity. So, how does it convert to revenue? Well, here goes. The TikTok Creator Rewards Program, launched in 2024, pays creators based on views and engagement, typically between 40 cents and $1 per 1,000 views. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the past 30 days, and must post videos longer than 1 minute. Payments are made monthly and can add up quickly, with viral videos reaching hundreds of thousands or millions of views. Besides direct payouts, these viral videos attract sponsorships and affiliate deals, turning views into commissions and brand opportunities. They also funnel traffic to other platforms like YouTube Shorts, where additional ad revenue is possible. The text overlay gaming videos grab attention fast and keep viewers engaged, making them perfect for scaling content creation and maximizing monetization across multiple channels. Using an app to efficiently create these videos sets you up to generate income not just from the platform's rewards, but through diverse revenue streams in today's creator economy. So allow me to show you exactly how this app works. Now, just keep in mind there are tons of features. I won't be able to fit everything into the video, so I'm going to do a very rough overview of what they have to offer. If this video has helped you out even a tiny bit, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel if you do want more content like this. The link to this website can actually be found downstairs in the description, so go ahead and click on it, create your account for free, and explore. Let's dive into the video. So if you've used the link in the description, you'll find yourself on this page. On the left hand side, there are two tabs. You'll see a Create tab, and it has a drop down menu, as well as an AI Tools tab, also with a drop down menu. You can see underneath Create, you'll see the first option is Reddit stories. Now if you go down over here and you look through some of their popular templates, instead of creating them from scratch, you can actually use their popular templates. So this is what a Reddit story would look like.
ATA for being disappointed to eat sandwich meat for Thanksgiving. ATA for being disappointed that I bought all of this stuff.
You can see that if you click on it, you'll be able to create a Reddit story straight from this template. Now, if you want to just create one from scratch, you can actually just click on the Reddit story on the left hand side, and here are your options. You can have a custom script, so you can actually input the text on your own. You will then be able to have it rewritten by AI. All right, you can give it some target lengths and then the actual video script. So you can then also just have this written by AI or rewritten. Once you have added this in here, you can then move on to your background, subtitles, adding a voice and background music. But if you'd like to directly import straight from Reddit or TikTok, you can actually use this option here, and all you need to do is add in the appropriate details. You can also just give a bit of an outline, and the AI will actually be able to create a script for you. Now, moving on to the background, here is where you can choose whatever background you'd like at the back of your video. So any one of these over here, not many options, but they do have a few. Once you've chosen that, you can go to your style of subtitles, and ultimately you will choose something that will suit your needs. You can also turn the subtitles off if you'd like to. Then we go over to the voice, and here, this is an 11 Labs plugin. So all of the voices that you hear over here, you will be able to find them on 11 Labs, and you'll be able to actually preview any one of them. You can also filter out gender, age, language, and you can search for a particular voice. And then there are some more settings over here. You can change the way the voice actually comes out, so the exaggeration, stability, the volume, and then also the speed. So you can adjust this all to your specific needs. If you're going down here to background music, again, you will be able to choose background music that will suit your specific needs. These are official sounds that you will be able to find on TikTok. So if you are posting directly to TikTok, you can use these sounds and you will not have any copyright infringements. That's the nice thing about it. You can also filter out what type of music you'd like during theme, such as theme, style, and duration, and then you could just search for the music you're looking for. You can also look through some YouTube music. So if you are posting on YouTube predominantly, you'll be able to find this music on YouTube Music. Some of the settings also includes the volume of the music so that you can adjust that. And before you actually choose your music, you can actually just go and click on play and you can hear what it sounds like before you apply it. Now, once you've done all of this, you can go and click on generate video and you will end up with a video that looks like one of those in this section over here. And if I go to my projects, you'll see that this is a Reddit, it's this one over here. So this is a Reddit video that I've created.
Well, here goes. The TikTok Creator Rewards Program launched in 2020.
So this is the video that I used in the intro, and it took me just a few minutes to create. Now, it is quite a long video, but if you are wanting to create shorter videos and be able to make more of them, then that is also possible, and you'll be able to use less credits and make more in a period of time. One of the nice things also is that you don't have to download this and then upload it to your social media platform. You can actually go ahead and just upload it directly from here without having to download it to your actual hard drive. So it supports TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, so you can upload it directly to any one of these platforms right from here. The other nice thing is once you have started creating a video or a project, it'll create it in the background and you can move over and start creating a new project while your previous project is actually exporting or saving. If you'd like a guided video on how to create a social media account where you can upload these videos and actually make money, leave a comment down below and I'll consider making one if I get enough requests. So the creation process for any one of these videos would be pretty much the same. You've got your fake texts, which here you can actually just enter the texts that you want and you can just add more text bubbles and just add the content that you'd like. You can also have an AI script generated for you. You can also paste in a script over here, and then you can also copy an existing video. So all you need to do is add the URL of that video, make sure that you do have the rights to use that video, or you could just simply drag it over here. You could drag a video file over here. So there's many ways to do it. Again, you're going to be choosing your background. You'll also choose a theme, so you can see that there's different themes in terms of what the text boxes and the layout looks like. You'll choose your voice and your background music, and once you're done, you will generate a fake text video. Now, this is all very interesting because you can do something within your niche. The AI story video over here as well is you'll just have to add what you'd like the video to start with as well as what you'd like to end it with, and then you can input your text or your script and then the option to use the AI script. So here are a few templates that you can go through and use. All you need to do is click on use it, and then you've got the custom prompt. Again, what you'll be doing here is just adding in some guidelines. So you would just basically describe your video concept and the AI will generate a script for you. You can choose your language, your starting hook, and your call to action. You can choose the duration of the video, and then you can generate your script. Again, background, subtitle, voice over, and your background music, you can add all over here. And as I said, it'll generate all of your videos simultaneously if you are generating multiple. The last section of the create over here is the superhero. So here you're going to enter the key prop that you would like. For example, they're giving a car, and you will be able to generate images like this. Okay, you can also choose any one of these as a template. There's some additional options over here, so you can choose maybe something like Sonic. You can choose some of these other options over here. I'm going to go ahead and just generate a script over here, and within a few seconds you'll have a full-on script with a hook. And this basically is a story. Okay, so you can go ahead, and once you've read through this and you're happy, you can go and select what it is that you would like to have produced. You can also edit any one of these scenes. So you'll see the transition, the visual effects, and the sound effects on the right hand side is per scene, and you can also just edit the actual text. Once you're done, you're going to go and click on batch generate images, and within a few seconds it will be in your my projects section, which I showed you earlier on. So here it is, and we'll come back to this in a few seconds. Jumping down to the AI tools, you have an auto clip. This allows you essentially to take a long form video, preferably something that's 10 minutes or more, and upload it and generate 9:16 vertical styled videos between 30 seconds and 90 seconds. And it's quite nice if you have long form videos such as myself and you'd like to create shorts on autopilot. Upload them to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube Shorts and drive viewers to your main video. Under auto clip, there is AI image, and this is an image generator, so you can literally generate an image. So you have text to image and image to image. It is using Gemini Nano Banana as the base model. However, there are a couple other options. My choice would be Nano Banana because it's actually pretty fantastic. You'll enter your prompt over here, or you'll add an image. You'll select your aspect ratio and how many images you'd like to have output, and then it'll literally generate images for you. Moving on to the AI script over here. Here you can literally create a script of any sort. Alright, so let's say for example we would like to use a template. Here's a bunch of templates that you can use. You can also just use a prompt, or you can customize it. You can upload a file, or you can paste your text if you're choosing this option over here. You can then also add some additional generation requirements. Choose your language and your length, the language here again, and your output format. So this, in this case, it's the scene narrator roles, and then you just go and generate script, and here you'll be able to have a full script generated for you, which you then can use in any one of these other subheadings over here. So if you'd like to use that script in your AI story video, or a fake text, or a Reddit story, whatever it is, it'll be able to be put into any one of these formats. The caption generator is pretty self-explanatory. What you're going to do is add a file over here in any one of these formats, and then you will be able to generate captions. You can choose your caption style, and then you can overlay it onto your video. So let's say you have a video like you're watching now and you want to put some captions at the bottom. This is a fantastic tool to be able to do that. Let's jump back into my projects over here, and let's have a look at that superhero tab that we created earlier on. So here you can see that each one of these scenes are now generated, and it's processing still, but ultimately what's going to happen is these are going to be scenes in a full-length video. So this video could be 30 to 60 to 90 seconds, and it's going to just follow along because this is how we created it. Now you can see that this is all random, but this is the way that I created it. Of course, if you're creating it, then you're going to create something that actually has a storyline. I'm going to jump back now, and all the way at the bottom you'll see the pricing, and of course this is the question that everyone is asking: what does it cost? So their basic plan starts at $19 a month, their pro plan is $30, and they have an enterprise plan at $60. Now let's just take the pro plan at $30 a month. For example, let's say that you jump in for 12 months, you're saving 15%, and you're paying $25.50 every month, which will be billed once annually. 3,600 credits a month, which gives you an average of 90 videos or 120 minutes of auto caption. It also allows you access to auto clip, faceless videos, unlimited AI scripting, auto captions, posting to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and your maximum upload is 300 meg. You also get the basic and the pro voices, and you get to download your videos. So if you have a look at what you're actually getting for $25.50, you'll be able to create every single month 90 videos. And if you're getting 1,000 views on every one of those videos a month, it's 90,000 views. So as you can see, the website has a ton of features, and you can really explore and play around and apply it to your own niche. Don't forget to use the link in the description down below to actually create your account and explore and see how you can turn this opportunity into a passive income. For more tips and tricks on how to make money online or work from home, subscribe to this channel. And until next time, take care.